Well, good morning, Gators. It is Friday, May 15th, 2020. And would you think that 5 for May, 15 for the 15th, 5 plus 15 is 20, so 5, 15, 20. It's kind of crazy and fun. Anyway, this is your math update for today. First things first, as always, we will have our daily math practice. On number 1, we are going to do some decimal division. Number 2, we are adding some 3 large numbers together, so make sure you're paying attention to what you're doing there. Number 3, what is the ratio of S's to all the letters in the sentence? So you're going to want to make sure to count the number of S's and count all the rest of the numbers and make it a ratio. On number 4, if 7x equals 441, then x equals what? I'm not going to explain how to do this one, because if I did, then that means you haven't been paying attention for quite a while. And number 5, Aiko and Amy had a lemonade stand. They started with 3 gallons of lemonade. At the end of the day, they had 1.5 quarts left. How many 8-ounce glasses of lemonade did they sell? So you're going to want to think back to our conversion of units of capacity to be able to solve that one. Next up, we have our, if I can get it to work, there we go. We have our daily word problem. It says a group of campers went hiking at 9 a.m. to Ridge or High Top Ridge. It took them 45 minutes to reach the area. After spending half an hour there, they hiked back to their campsite. It only took 35 minutes for the campers to go back because they were going downhill. At what time did the group return to the campsite? And then on to our assignment for today. It is a review. Now, don't freak out. This does say tests at the top. It's just the test out of the book, and I can't change that very easily. So what you're going to do is just go through these problems. They are multiple choice, but you do need to try. Do not just go through and pick random ones. We're going to know. So go through these and find the answers for all 12 of those. Now, that is not all for math today. So after that, there will be a forms quiz for you to work on to show your learning. It'll be pretty simple, I hope. Just make sure to not, again, do not in any circumstance choose nacho cheese. Do not choose nacho cheese. And that brings me to the code word of the day. I'll give you a hint. It has something to do with this background. If you know what this background is from, then you have the code words. If you don't know what this background is from, then, here's a hint. One word is a type of duck, and the other word is the name of a student in my class. So those are your hints for the code words of the day. And that is it for math. As always, Gators, make sure you're reaching out for help once you have the code words, and we'll talk to you later. And as always, it's great to be a Gator.